English 8 Theme Assessment. Please choose one of the following stories. Thank you, ma'am. Please click here to read the story on your own, or click here to listen to the story. The Path Through the Cemetery. Click here to read the story, or click here to listen to the story. Or you have the option to choose your own book, in which you will be able to look through it for your own textual evidence. Part 1. Identify, support, and explain two universal themes from the text. Part 1 is a summative, it is graded, it is 100 points. Below are some, but certainly not all, universal themes. You may refer to this when answering the questions. Please highlight which story you chose to read. If I chose Thank You, Ma'am, I can go and highlight to show that I chose that story. Question 1. What is one possible theme in your text? Please place your answer here. Question 2. What evidence from the text supports this theme? Please type your answer here. Question 3. Explain how the evidence you selected supports your theme. Please type your answer here. And question 4. What is this moment showing us about the theme you selected? In other words, what is a statement of theme for this moment? Type your answer here. Question 5. What is another possible theme in your text? Please type your answer here. What evidence from the text supports this theme? Question 6, type your answer here. Question 7. Explain how the evidence you selected supports your theme. Please type your answer here. And question 8. What is this moment showing us about the second theme you selected? In other words, what is a statement of theme for this moment? That is the end of Part 1. Part 2. Write a paragraph in which you make a claim about a theme in that text that you chose. Provide supporting evidence for your claim and explain how your evidence supports your claim. Please note, this is a formative, this is not graded, but do your best. We want to see what you already know and what you are able to do. Please type your answer here. It's a good idea to scroll down and look at the rubric for Part 1 and how it will be graded or assessed, as well as Part 2 scoring.